Everyone, in our school we have prepared action plan for Serene Meeting 2 that is going to be held on 29th and 2021. So already we have filled our Google form through watching many videos and facing so many multiple choice questions, and we have discussed so many topics in that Google form, and based on that we have prepared action plan. There is a model of action plan that we want to share with you. So here is an action plan. Here I have written all teachers in our school who participated in this action plan, and you see the names of all the teachers that I have given here. And later on, topics which we saw through the videos in Google form, those videos and multiple choice questions, everything was based on these topics. Let's see, these topics were SEW, that is social emotional well-being, to continuation that we saw, that is active self observation, how children should improve, and inclusive education. Next topic, challenges in teaching learning process and learning outcomes. Next topic, learning environment. Next, sign language, how it is important. Next, school based assessment. These are the topics that we were focused during Google form filling when we were watching videos, and based on that we have covered all these topics, and we have made action plan on these topics. Let us see here. First topic, that is social emotional well-being part 2, active self-observation, that is how children should develop their self-introspection, self-observation. For that, what action we have to do? Here in our school we have decided to do this action, that is exchanging feeling through simple questions. That is, we have to regularly ask children questions very simply, very friendly, and so that children can respond very freely with us, so that we can understand what they're feeling contains, whether they are sad or happy. If they are sad, what is the reason behind that, etc., and how will you action implemented by us. So here we have given, that is asking questions like, hello student, how are you, when do you feel so happy, when do you feel so sad, like these friendly questions that we have to ask, so that the children happily answer us, so that we can guide them properly after understanding their hidden feelings. So, and the result is very comfortable for us. We got best result when we use this action. Next, inclusive education. So inclusive education is nothing but including every children. We don't differentiate children based on their able or disabled. We don't differentiate, we welcome every children, we treat them equally. So for that action we did was considering all students, treating them equally with great care. So we are considering it's our responsibility, and we are giving children the idea that we should respect everyone. So for that actions that we are conducting, and we were conducting, or making no differentiation, including differently abled and able students in every activities. For example, in our school there is a eyesight student, we always tell him to sit at the front place, and every children we respect him, treat him very freely. So this is a good result that we felt. And next, I want to share with you. Next topic we discussed in the Google form was about challenges in teaching learning processes and learning outcomes. There is a confusion in our teacher side that competency, learning outcomes, indicators like this. There is a confusion a little bit, and we have solved about that doubt in the Google form. And here, how do we are solving teaching learning issues action in our school we are taking, and we were taken, or here we all teachers are focusing basically in applying very easy methods, approach and techniques in solving challenges and displaying learning outcomes at the top corner of a board. That is, we are listing learning outcomes before teaching class, teaching lessons on the board at one corner, and we are orally introducing learning outcomes to our children, so that they should get ready to participate very actively in the learning process, so that they can achieve all those learning outcomes. This is one of the way that we are taking action. So how will you implement here? What we are doing: practicing reading in group, practicing speaking skill through TPR rhyming activities. All language teachers are giving copywriting every day, introducing learning outcomes. So these are the activities that we are doing in order to solve teaching learning problems, and our success result is very very good, that we say very confidently. Next topic is learning environment. That is, how do we create very positive environment in school. For that action that we took in our school and we are taking at present time also, is developing study habits through teachers active engagement with children, fully lighted area, that is rooms that in our school available, and in our school classroom, so very cool air comes always through all the windows. So we are sitting all the children in such type of conditioned rooms, and actions we are taking for learning environment are here. That is, we are doing more in number, that is group works. We are doing table practice, that is we say ಮಗ್ಗಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್, ಟೀಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್, vocabulary practice, nature learning every day, that we are doing all these activities evening time from 3:30 to 4:30 in our scale, and success gives us very positive sign. And next topic that we discussed in the Google form was about sign language. That is, how do we develop good quality education through sign language, and how do we teach our children, specially able children, through sign language in equally with able children. So here we have to use body language, gestures, and initiating sounding, that is making sounds of different animals, etc. Through that we can teach our students who are in need through sign language. So here how will we are implementing, here we have written teaching language and vocabulary, teaching differently able students using sign language. That is, for example, we are using sign language like this, attention, like that, stand at ease. When I say student will give Vishram caution, Vishram. When I say attention, children will stand, putting their feet together. And we are using hands up, hands down, like this type of activities we are using for sign language. And we are using our eye contact, and we are using fully our body language to teach them very well. Success is very enormous for us. And last topic that we saw in the Google form videos was about school-based assessment, SBA. That is, what assessments we are applying in our school for the quality education, for developing very good education, for developing very well skills up development in our school. What assessment that we are doing? So here we have written, that is action, that is oral test we are taking regularly, written test we are taking. That is, for example, FA1. Now we have taken communication skill test we are taking by calling all the children in participating in spoken English activities and other language development, observation skill, interview, dialogue practice we are doing in the form of test. So that through these all activities we are assessing our children, and we are making improvement in our children attitudes. So for that, how will action? So I told already, just that is asking questions formally and informally, regular speaking practice. So in this way we are doing all these activities. This is the process how we have done action plan in our school through discussion. Thank you everyone.